Hey, railroad fans of the Cajon Pass. We got something coming here. Looks short. Short and going slow. We're at Rana, R-A-N-A. Switching tracks there. It's coming from that second one in to the track closest to us now. These are both sidings that go into the hub. GP60 maybe? Nice. It's pretty cool. Very cool. Crew member on both those. You guys can tell me what those all are. That first one was a little bit different. Got my experts out there. Alec, I'm sure you know the answer to this. All right, railroad fans, the Cajon Pass. We have some switchers from the yard just doing what they do. Probably took out some stuff to local stops and working their way back.
3-5, and then what is your tether? Get it over. 5630. I'll put that on there as well, though. And then after come back west over. You just give me a shot. We'll get you on there over. Faster. What's going to be faster? And then he comes west over.
Listening to the radio. So one of the fun things about being over next to the yard.
You're coming. Rana down there. You guys come back. We'll follow you up. Copy.
Talking about Rana, that's where we are, following you up, so we'll sign off and see what's going on. Sorry, I have camera moving all over. I was looking over my shoulder a couple times to see what's coming. All right, rail fans, Cajon Pass. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Help us out on Patreon. You'll find the link to Patreon in every video description. We love you guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care.
No more yard masters there. See if the clerk save intro be over.
Take care, guys. Here they come back. Got a train behind them, too. This is the cutie here. It's like a little bulldog. Wow, what a beautiful engine. This Intermodal on the inside track's pulling out. Give a good look at it. Stills. standoff. As soon as something happens, I'll come back. Talk to you in a few minutes. Thanks.
Ah, Lord.
Got a standoff going here. It said 35 feet. I'm wondering if they're talking to this guy. Back up. So it looks like they're going to cut some of this off or pick some more up. Looks like the little guy won. When they brought these three in, they were ready to pull them in. They stopped them. This other train pulled down. Looks like they got him onto the siding fully there. I'm not sure if they're going to cut some of that train or add some to it. My guess is this one furthest away is going to keep going straight, and this one closest to us is going to make a left up here on a switch, maybe. I could definitely be wrong, but I think that's what I usually see up there. Listen to the radio, they're talking to these guys. That's the way it is over here by the yard. I guess we'll let it go. Real fans, Cajon Pass. Hope you like what you see. Please subscribe to the channel. Give us that big thumbs up. Share with your friends. Help us out on Patreon. You'll find the link in every description. We got Super Chat now. We love you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.